Finally, the market of the whole crypto industry and stocks and forex right now is currently sideways, or we are seeing a small little pump towards the upside. But it is the right time to buy, or is it the right time to sell? And if you have watched my previous video, I told you all that the price of Bitcoin and overall crypto has to fall towards the downside. But right now the opposite is happening. Why it is happening and what I expect in this week and the next coming weeks, I will discuss each and everything in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and last time I made a video when the price was somewhat over here, approximately at $81,000 level approx here. I made a video that the price of Bitcoin has to dump towards the downside, and I did give a pretty good logic and pretty good analysis at that time. And I mentioned one specific thing in my last video, that no one knows where the market will go, especially in these uncertain conditions when the whole trade war is happening globally and all this tariff scenario, etc. I still made my own personal analysis at that time, but as you can clearly see, after that we have seen a small pump towards the upside and some sideways price action. That's it. So basically the market right now is currently dead, no volume and no price movements at all. So what I expect right now, to be honest, I don't know, because the price of Bitcoin is in middle of nowhere right now, not near my important resistance zone and not near my important support zone. So it is better for me to wait right now, and rather than taking any trades. So according to me, I'm still kind of bearish on Bitcoin according to my logic that I have shared in my last video. Also talking about Ethereum right now, I hope you already know I took a long position on Ethereum somewhat over here on 7th of April, and I booked major of my profits here at $1,600. The rest of my trade is still running, and currently it is in profits only. So let's see what happens. One thing I want to share with you guys, so this is a very shocking thing that I have to share with you guys. I hope you already know this is a very important zone for Solana right over here, from $119 approx to $123. Price of Solana did a breakdown of this zone with a retest as well. As you can clearly see, we saw a retest and the price of Solana went all the way down below $100. It made a low at $95. But now, as we can clearly see, the price of Solana has done a breakout towards the upside and it is coming for a retest. This is a very shocking thing for me. Why? Because Solana's price has done a breakout of this important zone. Now this is a support zone for Solana, and now we can see a huge pump in the price of Solana. But this counters my analysis I have done on Bitcoin, because on Bitcoin I told you all that I am bearish on Bitcoin and on Ethereum also, and if Bitcoin or Ethereum dumps towards the downside, then Solana and other cryptos will also dump. But as you can clearly see here, we saw a breakout and now it is a retest happening, meaning we can see a pump towards the upside. So there are two counter analysis right now going on, because on Bitcoin I am bearish, and on Solana I will be really honest with you guys, on Solana I am seeing a bullish movement right over here coming. So am I going long on Solana? Well, to be honest, no. It is very risky for me to go long on Solana, especially when I am bearish on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And maybe the price of Solana can come at this level, do a retest and then go all the way up till $140-$150 level. Yes, it can do, but I will stick to my analysis on Bitcoin, and I will not take a trade on Bitcoin. On Ethereum I'm already in a trade on Ethereum, but on Bitcoin I will not take a trade until and unless it comes near my level. And on Solana also I'm not going long. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. My analysis on Bitcoin is still the same, and I don't care where the price goes, my analysis will stay the same, and on Ethereum also. on Solana, yes, it is showing a bullish confirmation, a bullish setup, but it is very risky for me to take a trade, so I'm personally not going long on Solana. Let's see what happens, and I'll inform you guys on my Twitter. And don't copy trade me personally, instead learn from my trades, your own trading, and that's it. If you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana, or just buy and sell, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments, or else you can just get an account on any exchange you want, but don't fall for any scams. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.